Hello everyone, welcome back to the GK series part 5 from Life Changes Academy. So in this session we are going to learn about amazing facts about our human body, okay? So have you ever stopped and thought about how amazing your body really is? So right now when you are listening to me, your heart is still beating, your lungs are breathing and your brain is still processing informations and millions of cells in your body are working together, right? Yes. So today we are going to explore these incredible facts about your human body that might surprise you. Okay. By this end of this presentation, you will realize that your body is one of the most powerful as well as most fascinating machines ever created. Okay. So let's begin our journey inside our human body. Okay. First of all, we are going to see your brain is super powerful. That means like the human brain contains around 86 billion neurons, which are special cells that will send messages throughout your body. That means every thought or else every memory, every movement, every emotions or starts inside your brain. Okay, when you solve a math problem, remember a friend name or else you remember a ride in a bicycle, your brain is working behind the scenes, right? So what's really amazing is that your brain is never stops working. Okay, even when your sleep means also your brain continues organizing memories and controlling your body. Okay, in fact your brain produces enough electrical energy to power a small light bulb. Okay, for example, imagine carrying a supercomputer inside your head every day. Likewise, only your brain is also working. Okay, that's exactly your brain is. Okay, so I'm asking a simple question, that is the quiz. Okay, it will shown in the screen. How many brain cells does the human brain have? It is approximately 86 billion. Okay, see how many the cells in our brain contains. Okay, so that's how our brain will be working. And then now we are going to see your heart never stops working. So yeah, let's talk about heart. Okay, so your heart is one of the hardest working muscles in your body. That means it will beat around 100,000 times every single day. Okay, that means even when you are sitting quietly means your heart is busy pumping blood throughout your body. And then blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell that will helping our body to stay alive and healthy. Okay, in just one day your heart gets pumped nearly 7,500 liters of blood. Okay, so that's enough to fill the dozens of buckets. So what incredible is that your heart never takes a break. From the moment you are born until your end of your life, it keeps beating continuously. That's about the dedication. Okay, so I'm asking one question, you just think. Okay, would you think would happen in your that your heart stopped pumping blood for even a few minutes means also we are not alive, right? So heart is the main or else major thing in our human body. Okay, so this is how the heart works. And then now we are going to see bones are stronger than steel. Okay, now we are going to see about bones. Okay, most people think that bones are weak because for a small accident and all, but the first thing the bone will be broke. Okay, so that people think that the bones are somewhat weak only, but actually bones are incredibly strong. That means an adult human body, the normal adult human bodies like the adults have 206 bones. Okay, normally an adult has 206 bones. These bones only protect our provide bones only provide structure for us, right? Protect our organs or else it will bones also help us to move. Okay, you believe it or not, pound for pound, that means the bone is very stronger than steel. Okay, your skull that will protect your brain, your ribs that protect your hearts and lungs. Okay, so without bone we would be like jelly. That means that we will be not in a steady mode, we will be like jelly. Okay, we will be not able to stand or else not able to walk. Okay, so that's why the bone is very important in our human body. And another interesting fact is that a newborn babies, that babies are born with 270 bones, okay, but some of them join together as they grow, okay. So that's why when the child born and become adults means the bone will change to 206 bones, okay. So that's why bones are very important in our human body. Now we are going to see our skin, okay. Many people think that skin is just something that covers the body, but it's actually a powerful protective shield. That means the skin protects us from germs, harmful bacteria, and injuries, okay. It also helps us to control our body temperature. For example, when you feel hot or else when you feel sweating means your skin is helping cool your body down, okay. When it is cold means your skin helps keep heat inside, okay. That's how the skin will be working in our human body, okay. So another one fact is that your skin constantly renews itself. That means your skin will renew itself, it will reborn. Likewise, every month your body creates new skin cells to replace the old skin cells, okay. So technically you are always getting new skin, okay. So our skin is keep growing per month, okay. So keep your skin very hydrated, okay. So it will skin will help us to block germs, and it regulates the temperature, and it will be prevents your body drying out. When it feel hot means it will produce cold for us, okay. When it feel cold means it will be maintain the temperature and make our body little bit hot, okay. That's how it will be working, okay. This is the overview of the skin. And then now we are going to see our eyes, okay. Your eyes blink thousands of times. Have you ever wondered why we blink? Most of the people don't even notice it, okay, because it will be happens automatically, okay. Humans blink around 15 to 20 times every minute. That adds up to almost 20,000 blinks every day, okay. So every blink spreads tears across your eyes, okay. Keep them moist and healthy, okay. So blinking also removes the dust and protects your eyes from damages, okay. Try not blinking, you just try, okay. So not blinking for 30 seconds means it will be surprisingly difficult. We can't blink for 30 seconds and all, okay. That's because blinking is most essential for healthy eyesight, okay. Your body automatically knows when your eyes needs protection, okay. So okay, this is how the eyes will be working, okay. So when you are blinking means your eyes have removes your dust and it will protect from damage, okay. This help us for healthy eyesight, okay. So this is how the eyes will be working. Next we are going to see another one part, that one is stomach, okay. Stomach is nothing but, so for example, you think that every time when you eat food, your stomach gets to work. That means it will produce some powerful acids, okay, that breaks food into smaller parts, okay. So when you consume your food means it produces some acids, okay. That acids can help to break our food into smaller pieces. The acid is so strong, okay. Why? Because means that it can dissolve many materials. That means but you don't worry, your stomach has a special protective lining that will prevent the acid from damaging itself, okay. Besides the digestion, stomach acid also helps to kill the harmful bacteria that may enter through your food, okay. So without this acid, digestion food would be much more difficult, I think so, okay. So this is the overview of your stomach. Also your stomach is like a powerful food processing factory, working day and night, right. You will be eating food in daytime also, you will be eating food in night time also. That time and all your stomach will keeping on working in your body, okay. That's how the stomach will work in our human body, okay. So you will also see this quiz, okay. So what helps digestion food in the stomach? It will be acid, okay, not water, not air, it will be acid, okay. So Remember this one, okay? And then now we are going to see your body has thousands of blood vessels. We will be talk about our body's transportation system. Okay, it's like a transportation system, right? So blood vessels through tiny tubes are called blood vessels. Okay, so our blood will travels through tiny tubules. Okay, blood will be traveling from head to our toe. Okay, for that we are using a transportation system. That one is the blood vessels. Okay, these vessels carry oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. Okay, if all the blood vessels, but one thing I am going to say is, if all the blood vessels in one human body were stretched out and placed end to end, they would be over 100,000 kilometers long. Okay, see how long it is. 100,000, that means it will be very long. That is for an example, I am saying that that is more than twice the distance around the earth. Okay, that much long. And then the three main types present inside the blood vessel. That one is arteries, veins, capillaries. Okay, what is the function of arteries means? It will be carrying the blood away from the heart. Okay, and then veins is brings the blood back to the heart. Okay, arteries is carrying the blood away from the heart. Veins is bring back the blood to the heart. Okay, and then capillaries is nothing but just like a tiny vessel. Okay, that will connect everything together. Okay, it will be connecting the parts together. Okay, it's like an enormous highway, like enormous highway network. Okay, running throughout our body. Okay, another one fact is, every second blood is traveling through thousands of tiny pathways inside your body. Okay, that's how the blood vessels works. Okay, and then now we are going to see the muscles. Okay, muscles. The human body contains more than 600 muscles normally. Okay, and then muscles will be help us to walk, and then run, and then jump, and then lift objects, smile, even blinking also done by using the help of muscles. Okay, so every movement you make depends on the muscles that are working together. Okay, so did you know that even smiling uses muscles? It's quite interesting, right? Yes. So in fact, your heart is also a muscle, and unlike most muscle, it never gets their day off. That means when you are playing sports, or else when you are dancing, or simply walking, means hundreds of muscles are working together perfectly. Okay, that's what you will be doing that action perfectly. Okay, your body is truly an engineering masterpiece, right? So I'm asking one question. You will just think about that. Okay. So can you guess that approximately how many muscles are in a human body? You will just I will already say 600 muscles, but you also refer, and you will be get it to know whether there are how much muscles in our human body. Okay, you will just analyze that one. Okay, this is your task. And 600 plus, approximately I'm saying 600, but it's 600 plus. Or exactly how many muscles, you will be search, and you will be text me. Okay, so as we come to end of our journey, let's think about everything we learned today. We discovered that our brains, our heart, our bones, our skin, as well as eyes, right? Our then stomach, blood vessels, and then muscles. Okay, the human body is truly one of the nature's greatest wonders. Okay, so remember, take care of your body by eating healthy food, by exercising regularly, drinking enough water, and get plenty of sleep. Okay, because you only get one body, and that's absolutely amazing, right? So thank you for listening today's session. So keep exploring and stay curious. Also keep learning with Life Changes Academy. Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video.